Importing a vintage car into the US can be an exciting process, but it requires careful planning, knowledge of regulations, and attention to shipping details. In this video, we'll cover the steps, costs, paperwork, and tips to safely bring your classic car home. Any vintage car brought into the US must meet federal safety and emission standards, or qualify for exemptions if it is over 25 years old. Vehicles that are not compliant may require modifications, which can be expensive and time-consuming. It's crucial to know these rules before starting the import process to avoid delays or fines. Most vintage cars are shipped via ocean freight, either in a container or on a roll-on, roll-off RoRo ship. Container shipping provides maximum protection, which is recommended for high-value classic cars. RoRo is usually cheaper but exposes the car to weather and handling risks, so consider the value and condition of your car. You'll need the original title, bill of sale, and proof of compliance with U.S. safety standards. Customs forms declarations must be completed accurately to avoid delays. Keep all documentation organized and accessible for inspection at the port. Importing a vintage car into the U.S. is a detailed process, but with the right preparation, documentation, and shipping method, it can be smooth and worry-free. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment if you're planning to import a vintage car.